up? Welcome to my channel. Girl, I am so excited to be back with a makeup video. I already have some makeup on. Don't worry about that. We're about to take it off and I'll explain more. Today, we are going to be trying out some Oma Beauty products, and shout out to Oma Beauty for partnering with me for today's video. I'm very excited because they have come out with an affordable luxury beauty brand and it's now available at Walmart. So be sure and check it out. But today, we're going to be going through all of their products. I have a full face of their products on right now and just really exploring the products, talking about them. I'm going to tell you how I like to use them. I'm going to create a makeup look with them. But what's even better, we're going to talk a little bit about their skincare first. So this line with Oma Beauty is very light, very fresh. I like the products that came out. I'm really excited for the new Flawless IRL in Real Life Skin Perfecting Foundation. I would say it's like stunning on. We're going to shade match and then I'm going to show you guys me using it, how I apply it. I also have on their new stains, which I also like these a lot because you can use them more than one way. You can use them on your cheeks, eyes, lips. It's just a really great stain and they come in a bunch of different colors. And then we're also going to talk about their skincare because they have all that. So this is such great affordable beauty. I'm very excited about the line. And you guys know we've done so many videos and trips to Walmart checking out new products. So they're there. So next time you're at Walmart, girl, check it out. And I'll also have everything linked down below, but let's go ahead and jump in. But also be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave and give me a thumbs up if you're excited for Oma Beauty and you enjoyed the video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So we're about to jump into removing the makeup. And first I want to show you guys these wipes. So these are really cool. They are a dry wipe, but they have a cleaning solution in them. So what you're going to do is you're going to tear one off. So easy, and you can just keep them in your pocket and they just pop up almost like a tissue and just keep tearing them off. So really convenient there. So these are the Go Off 2-in-1 water activated wipes. So it has a natural makeup remover within it. They are vegan, they are paraben free. I love that. They're also infused with arganol and vitamin E. So hello, that's great. And it comes with 40 sheets. So that's 40 washes. That's a lot. It's over a month's worth of washes if you wear makeup every single day. So here is the wipe. What you want to do is just run it under water quickly. You don't have to add a lot of water to it. As you see, we have the cloth. We're just gonna do one quick run through. So you don't actually have to wring the cloth out. You can now just start wiping away. Look at that, wipe it away. And it has the cleanser within the cloth, which I think is so cool. And voila, your makeup's coming right off, getting a little bit sudsy. My lip is a stain, so my lips will remain a little bit red, but yeah, this is so good. So I'm only doing half of my face with this because I also want to show you the next product. Just let me remove all this makeup. Okay, we have all this makeup on our cloth. I still have the other side I can use, but I'm gonna save this half of my face because I also wanna show you another product they have, which is super exciting. This is the Oma Beauty. This is the Go Off Natural Cleansing Oil. So you'll do 1 to 2 pumps for your entire face. You'll do just a touch of water. You'll mix it in and just remove your makeup. Super easy to use. So this is also a natural makeup remover, which I love that. It has vitamin E, olive oil, castor oil, and grapeseed oil. So lots of great oils up in here, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. So fresh and so clean. So I'm gonna put in my hand 1 pump because I'm only doing half my face. And I'm gonna add just a touch, like the tiniest touch of water in. Oh, it smells so good. And we're just gonna start removing our makeup with it. Y'all, this stuff smells so fresh and clean. So I should in, and our makeup is already just melting away on our hands. So now you can just wash your face. What I like to use is just a little makeup remover cloth, and I will just wipe away gently, and the makeup just comes right off. Voila! We are done removing our makeup. I love the way my skin feels. These products are really amazing. Again, they're luxury, affordable products. They work really well. They're really great for taking makeup off. So now we're gonna head downstairs and get started on our makeup and glamming on our fresh skin. Okay, I'm back from the bathroom, ready to get started on our makeup. And can I just say one more thing about the wipes that I really wanted to mention? I like the dry wipes, which this is it, better than a wet wipe, which this is a wet wipe. And the reason being, these are paraben free and they have to put parabens and things in wet wipes like this to keep them from molding because it's literally a wet wipe down in a package, which would grow mold, which seems so unnatural on your face. So I like that these are dry with a cleanser infused within it and you wet it yourself. That just makes so much more sense to me. But let's move on into the makeup, which I'm very excited. Okay, I went ahead and tied my hair back for the sakes of it not getting in my way in this video. So we're gonna jump into our makeup now. So the first product I wanna start out with is a little bit more skincare. This is a vitamin C serum. I love vitamin C serums. I'm obsessed. They're game changers. And this one is affordable. So we love hearing affordable. So Oma Beauty has two. They have a 20% vitamin C and they have a 10%. The 10% is for sensitive skin and the 20% is for the peeps that can take it. I'm definitely going in with the 20%. My skin's not too sensitive and I've been using vitamin C serums for a long time. So you're supposed to apply vitamin C serums on clean skin and let them absorb into your skin, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. My skin is fresh and clean. We just cleansed it. Just FYI, the 10% is $17.99 and the 20% is $23.99, which I'm gonna be using today. You want to only apply 1 to 2 drops on your fingertips and then work it in. Now, if this product starts to peel up or just like ball up on your face, it just means you used a little bit too much. You might want to go in with a little less, but this is going to give us a really youthful, beautiful glow under our makeup, which is what we're going for today. Next up, I'm going to be using their foundation, which I am so excited to share with you guys. So I've applied just a little bit of this to my skin, and while we're shade matching for the foundation, we're going to be letting this dry down, which I think is really important. Okay, by the way, it does dry down really quick, so you're not gonna have to wait a long time to do that, but I like to wear this under my makeup, or you can just include it in your nighttime or morning skincare routine. This also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's gonna be very moisturizing. So this is very skin nourishing. It's also gonna protect your skin from the pollution in the environment, all good stuff there. Let's jump into the Flawless In Real Life foundation. So the thing I like about this is you can get a lighter flawless coverage, or you can get really full coverage with it, depending on how much you use. If you use 1 to 2 drops, you're looking into a little bit of a lighter coverage, which is technically kind of what I want to go for today. So this is a skin perfecting foundation. So again, these products are available at Walmart. This one is $14.99. So the shade I have here is T1 Honey Honey, and I think this might work for me. We're gonna do a little swatch. Ooh, that might be right on the dollar. So now what else we should be trying is I'm gonna try T4 Honey Honey, which is a touch deeper. Oh, that one might be a little bit too deep. And just for good measure, I wanna try the T3 Honey Honey. So this one is a little bit lighter. I'm kind of thinking this middle one right here, the T4, is going to be the perfect neutral shade. This one's a little too warm. This one's a little too pink. This one could, but I think once I get it all over my face, we're gonna be looking a little pinky. I think this is our guy right here. By the way, that is how I shade match. So they said for best results, you wanna give it a little shake. So it says for best results, you can apply with a brush, sponge, or your fingers. I'm gonna be using my fingers today just because I wanna try something new. And I'm just going to take, this is 2 pumps right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and distribute that on my face, and then we're gonna rub it in with our fingers. All right, so I'm just gonna start rubbing this in. The shade looks so good, and it's just honestly like melting into my skin. Like I've barely even rubbed it, as you've seen, and it's like literally just melting in. Honestly, this is like medium coverage, I would say, right off the bat. I don't know if you guys can tell my freckling. I had some pretty darkness right here. I have a good bit of darkness here from a bump, and it's already like covered a lot of it, and I just got going with it. So I am gonna add a little bit more right through here just for a little extra coverage, because I have so much lovely darkness in my under eye. So I'm just gonna cover, oh my God, it like covered it like a concealer. Are you guys seeing this? Like look how bright I'm looking. I'm a little shook. Wow. Look at my skin, guys. It looks stunning. Guys, this is an affordable foundation too. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my eyelids because I have a little redness there and it just seems to be covering everything. So I'm like, okay, we're just gonna add this everywhere. Wow. I'm in love. It also says you can mix a pea-sized amount of this foundation with your eye cream and create a concealer with it if you're interested in doing that for coverage. I feel like this just covered my dark circles so well just using it alone. So this is available for $14.99. It's a foundation, serum, and a beauty balm all in one. So you're really getting a little bit of everything with this one. Not that I need more coverage in my under eye. I just want to add a little bit of dimension in my face. So I'm just gonna take my Jouer concealer stick, and I'm only only doing this to add a little bit of dimension to my face. And what I'm actually gonna do is blend this out with my finger as well. We're just gonna tap this out. And this is just gonna give us a little bit of a highlighted effect. You could also use a lighter shade in this foundation, like I said, with a Beauty Balm if you'd be interested, but this is shade Wheat in a concealer pen. Really diving into some cream products. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of a Chanel bronzer and I'm just going to stipple that to, again, just give us a little dimension. And then we're going to dive into some cream stains. So these are going to be lip stains, eye stains, and blush cheek tints. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use them, kind of like an all-in-one. I love the direction that beauty is going. I love that it's getting really fresh. It's getting really beautiful, soft, glowy skin like this. It makes me really excited to see some of the best brands like Oma Beauty creating products for that. So I'm really excited today. So we're a little bit bronzed up, we're highlighted, we have our foundation, our skin is glowing, we're looking great. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use their tints. So here are the shades they have. They have a bunch of really beautiful shades, couple nudes, couple reds, pinks, like a caramel. Loving these. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to use these on my cheeks because I have a specific way. You can also use these as a lip oil, lip gloss, lip stain. They're kind of an all-in-one product. You can build them up. If you don't want to add a lot, you can put a little on your finger and really just tap them in, or you can just apply it on and get a really more full coverage glossy look. And that is kind of the look I had whenever we started the video with the pretty red. I actually had on this color here, Boasty. I was wearing Boasty, really beautiful color. So I'm actually gonna take Boasty because I'm really into this color and show you how I apply it to my cheeks. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. When it's a stain, I like using my hands and just warming it up and thinning it out a little bit. And then I can lightly build it up onto my cheeks. And you can totally just use your hands here. And this is gonna give us a really beautiful flush onto our face. But you should never be able to see where it starts and stops with makeup, especially like cream products. It should all just kind of like melt into one. Ooh, that looks so beautiful. So again, I'm just going to tap onto my hand and just blend this back. We're gonna focus most of it kind of up front and center so we have that youthful flush. And then we're just really gonna tap, tap, tap until it is seamlessly blended back. We can even add a little bit to our nose. So now what you can do is even add a little bit of this to the eye. So I want to add a little bit of this one. This one is called Casually Lit. So cute. This one kind of has like a caramel brown essence to it. So I'm going to apply a little bit to the back of my hand. And of course, I'm going to use my fingers to blend it out. So we're just going to add a little bit to the lid. And again, these are just going to create a pretty glowy flush of color. Nothing too intense. As you can see, this just kind of warmed up our eyelid and gave us a little bit of color. So easy. Like that. And these will dry down a little bit. So now I'm going to do my brows and then we're going to talk mascara. I like to comb my brows up and I'm going to use the Refy Beauty. This is like their brow pomade. So I'm just going to brush up. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with the Refy brow pencil and all these little sparse areas in my brow, I'm just going to fill it in a little bit. My brows are like 10 times easier doing it this way instead of the way I used to do them so long ago, but so it takes me half the time. I kind of already did this one over here and it just looks so fresh. I am gonna take just a little bit of a highlighter and just, I mean, barely. We're honestly so glowy. I really don't need to add much more, so I'm just adding a touch. So there's that. Okay, now we are gonna do our lips. Oh no, let's do mascara. Let's do the mascara next. First, I'm gonna give my lashes a good curl, and then we're gonna be using the Level Up mascara. This is a volumized mascara. I really like the brush on it. It's nice, full, and thick, and it carries a lot of the product. So we're gonna be working it in. They suggest really working it in at the root and then pulling up with it. So first, I like to curl my lashes, of course, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna apply mascara. I always like to at least give my lashes 2 good pumps with the lash curler to ensure them staying up throughout the day. So here we go with our mascara. Like I said, so it's supposed to be volumizing. It feels so kind of tacky, like it grabs the lashes, which I really like. I do need some volume up in these lashes. Okay, so I only had to dip the brush in once for both sides, so I really appreciate that. I am going to just hit my bottom lashes, not even dipping the brush in again because it holds like so much product. It goes a really long way. Okay guys, lastly, we are going to do our lips, which I've been pretty excited for. I feel like it's like the show-stopping moment, so we're going to go back to our lip stain. For our lip stain, I'm going to be using the deeper red, which is called Classy. Bougie. So again, I'm going to actually apply it to my hand. Ooh, this is that pretty deep blue tone red, which is going to make your teeth look really white, which I'm all for. So let's go ahead and apply this. So what I like about the lip stains is you can really build them up. So you could leave it like this, get this pretty flush, beautiful red flush through your lips, or you can add more and really build it up to a glossy texture, which I will do now just to show you guys. So like I said, you can get this full coverage, beautiful glossy red lip out of the colors. They're very versatile in that way, which I think that's what I love most about them. Again, this is a lip tint, a lip gloss, and a lip oil all in one. If you're interested in checking them out, they're available at Walmart for $6.99. Super good price on these. Okay guys, I just wanted to pop on really quickly and update you guys with a wear test for the foundation especially, but it still looks so beautiful on. It hasn't even creased, and guys, I didn't even set this with a powder. It's just like locked in on my skin. My skin still looks really good, nice and glowy. This is a lip stain, so of course it's lasting for a long time. I would say I've had my makeup on for about 4 to 5 hours now. About 4.5 hours, and it still literally looks flawless. Like it looks like I just put it on, so all good stuff here. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. This is my makeup look with this new affordable line from Oma Beauty. This is available at Walmart. Be sure and check it out down below. I will have everything linked. Thank you again to Oma Beauty for partnering with me for today's video. I love the way the makeup came out. I just feel like it's very youthful, very fresh. It's not too heavy. It doesn't look caked on. It looks very, very glowy and natural, but at the same time, we're using a lot of different really pretty products, and it's colorful, so it's just all the funness in one. Again, thanks to Oma Beauty. This is such a cool line, and yeah, be sure and check it out. Also, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave for more content like this. Also, let me know what lip color. I mean, are you guys like in shock I didn't do a neutral lip? They have a neutral color here, but I was like, no. I really want to do a colorful lip, so we did a colorful lip today. It took everything in me not to use this pretty mauve shade. This one is called Softy, and I immediately saw it and was like, that's what I'm using today. But then I was like, wait a darn minute. I want to use a pretty red. I want to have a moment. So this is the pretty mauve color. Ooh, I'm obsessed. And I like that these things are a stain, so they do tend to last a little longer and they don't slough around as much. Amazing. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for being here and watching. I hope you enjoyed a makeup look, and I will see you in my next video.